In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 10, and let me show you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all, we need to open list of all apps, go to the settings then, and now scroll down. Locate digital well-being and parental controls and market. And here you need to click on show your data under your digital well-being tools right here. And here it is. So in front of you, you've got the stats regarding your device's usage, but if you will mark it again, you'll be able to check some more details. So for example, settings been in use for 4 minutes today only. If you use this device previously, like in previous days, you will also have access to all these days and stats connected with all the apps and time spent on them. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.